How to force restart or shut down frozen Mac. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. If your MacBook is stuck and the apps won't quit or your trackpad is not working, then you might need to force restart your MacBook. Make sure to use this method only when your Mac is totally unresponsive, as doing this you might lose unsaved data. So in order to force restart your Mac, press and hold the power button and then touch the Touch ID at the top right of your screen. Hold it for about 10 seconds until the screen goes black. Once it shuts down, wait for a few seconds and then press it again to restart your MacBook. And if the screen is still not working but is stuck in the same app, then you can press the Command plus Option plus Escape keys together. This brings up the Force Quit menu. Select the frozen app and click Force Quit, and with this, the app will be force quitted. And if this keeps happening, check for software updates or run disk utility from recovery mode. It might be a deeper system issue. So, this is how you can force restart or shut down frozen Mac. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.